this is Javelin and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at final consonant sound as in cuff. So let's start. In this video, you'll learn the final consonant sound correctly. Look at the pictures. Say the name of each picture and listen to the ending sound. All right? Loof, loof, roof, roof, knife, knife, shelf, shelf, chef, chef, wolf, wolf. F is pronounced as in fish for the initial sound, fish for the initial sound, as in playful for the medial sound, playful, and elf, elf for the final sound. Again, letter F or F is pronounced as in fish for its initial sound, playful, playful for the medial sound, and elf, elf for its final sound. All right? So the next line is a short activity for you to practice. What you're gonna do is to circle the correct word for each picture. Then write the names of the picture in your notebook. There are only 5 questions for you to answer, and you have 5 seconds before I'm gonna give the answer for each question, for each item. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video and start it again when you are ready. So, number 1. Leaf, half, cliff. 5 seconds. Answer. It's leaf, leaf. All right. Number 2. Look at the picture. Beef, sniff, chef. 5 seconds. Answer. It's chef, chef. Number 3. Loof, half, stiff. Answer. It's half, half. Number 4. Leaf, cliff, beef. Answer. It's a beef, beef. Number 5. Cliff, sniff, chief. Answer. It's a cliff. All right. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this short lesson about the final consonant of letter F or F. Okay? So, if you enjoyed this video, please share it on social media. And if you like to get a full transcript of this lesson, you can go to official website englishtutorhub.com, and there are also a lot of useful stuff that you might be interested in. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Thank you very much.